Hello and welcome to KettlebellDads. Today we're going to be doing an EMOM workout. So EMOM means every minute on the minute. For example, the first minute's going to sound. You're going to do one full Turkish get up. I'll explain what that is in a moment. And you're going to wait, let's say it takes 40 seconds to do the first Turkish get up. You're going to rest for 20 seconds, next minute's going to sound, and you're going to go again. So you're doing that 10 times, it's going to equal 10 minutes. You're going to get 1 minute rest and then on to the next station. Another 10 rounds, 10 minutes. So your Turkish get up, you're going to start the kettlebell in line with your belly button. You're going to roll backwards, hand goes up. Same side leg is going to be up, other leg is flat. And you're going to roll up onto your elbow. Windshield wiper onto the hand. You're going to come up. The knee is going to go behind. You're going to sit back, come up, move the leg, and stand straight up. Come back down, move that leg. Here, shoot the leg through. Come back down onto the elbow. Pull it back and roll back. And then you're going to swap sides. After the bell goes, you're going to alternate hands, okay? I'm going to start with the kettlebell on this side so you can see. So, it's in line with my belly button, time's on. I'm here. I roll up onto the elbow, I windshield wiper, come up, hip up, back here, sit back, up, feet aligned, stand up. This leg goes, move this leg, hand goes down, shoot the leg through. I come onto my elbow and I go away from this side. Kettlebell comes down and I roll. Then we're doing the other side. Just going this way. We're going to go. Still another 20 seconds to go. If you're really struggling with this one, drop the kettlebell, do it without the kettlebell. And then you can slowly add the kettlebell. And as well, like you can just go to your elbow, then just go to your hand. You don't have to do the full thing up and down. You can just do it a few times until I stop. So, other side now. Kettlebell line to belly button. Roll. Here. I roll up onto my elbow. Windshield wiper the hand. Come up, big chest. Hip up. Knee goes behind. Sit back a little bit. Come up. Move this leg. I'm going to stand up. This leg goes back. Move this leg to this side. Look at the kettlebell. Shoot the leg through, onto the elbow, and roll back. Okay, while it comes down, roll to the side. And the other side. So another 20 seconds to go. Yeah, and just have a bit of fun with it. Don't take it too seriously. If you're really struggling, just drop that kettlebell, do that, just a hand up like that. Again, and roll. Onto the elbow, windshield wiper, up, tip it up, sit back, coming up, step up, back down, move this leg, hand goes in line with this leg, kettlebell over the hand, shoot the leg through, here, come back down. You're all back to your side. If you're sticking with me, and when we get to here, make sure you keep this planted foot planted, and this leg is out like that. Dipping up, and then I'm coming back. You see that foot leg stays planted. So don't open your toes, keep it flat. So we're going to go again. I'm rolling. Same side leg is up. I come onto my elbow. I windshield wiper. Here. Hip up. Move the leg back. Sit back a little bit. Come up. This leg here. Stand up. Back. Move the leg. So hand goes over the hand. Shoot the leg through, big chest, onto the elbow, and move away to your side. Bring the kettlebell down. Yeah, so even if you're only going from the elbow, windshield wiper to the hand, and then back down, Do that. Same slide, around 30 seconds, 40 seconds, that's okay. And then you can slowly add in windshield wiper. You can add in the hip. Start again. Next time you can bring the leg back. So we're going to go again. Roll. Windshield wiper. Up. Hip up. Leg goes back. Sit back a little bit. Come up. Move the leg. Make sure as well when you hold back kettlebell, keep your wrist neutral. Don't let the wrist go this way. Neutral. Remember, there is a kettlebell over your head, so you really have it. Goes down. Keep watching it. Yeah. 3 seconds. Rolling. Time's on. Some neutral wrist, big chest, windshield wiper. Coming up. Giving up. Move the leg back, sit back a little bit. Move this leg, stand up. And just lock down. Keep the shoulder blade in the socket. Shoot the leg through. Onto my elbow. Go away. Back in the other side. That's what I meant by the shoulder blade into the socket. Squeeze your shoulder blades back, don't allow this arm to be pulled forward. You can't really get your arms engaged if the arm is being pulled forward, so shoulder blades back, big chest. This is really good for your abs, your shoulder, the whole body. You're working the whole body here. And time's on, let's go. Roll. Weighted leg is up, other leg is flat. Other leg is out. Yeah. Coming up, elbow, windshield wiper. Up. Hip up. Back, sit back. Move the leg. Stand it up. This leg goes, the other leg stays. Move. Out. And back down. Yeah, so what I mean by the hand over hand is when I'm here, boom, and I'm coming back down, looking up the kettlebell, I go over here, my hand goes over my hand. You see that? So I'm not like here, hand over hand, shooting through. Other side. Thumbs up. Back, sit back a little bit. Arm is locked out overhead. Bicep in line with the ear. Move the leg. Elbow comes back down and we roll. Yeah, so when I am in this position, my hand goes out in line with my leg. So I come down my leg, out here, and I shoot through, so hand over hand. Time's on, other side. Leg goes back, sit back, come up, move the leg, stand. This leg's going to go. Other leg moves that side. Come down, slide down. Elbow, squeeze the shoulder blades back. Roll. Yeah, so all I'm saying, I'm quick one. That side here. Sometimes people will go back. So they go here. Don't do that, go out to this side. And times on the other side. Here we go. Elbow, big chest. Wind chill away with the hand. Up. Hip up. Leg goes back. It's the back of the elbow. Bicep locked. Bicep locked. Arm locked. Bicep in line with the ear. I stand up. This leg is going to go. This leg moves. And down. Shoot through. Onto the elbow. Yeah, so if you're actually done with that, don't be disheartened, just keep giving it a go. Add the steps slowly, you don't have to do the full thing. You can just add it slowly, build it up over the weeks, and then get there in the end. So, you get 1 minute rest now. The next one, a little bit of a simpler one. The minute is going to sound, and you're going to do 10 swings, right arm, 10 swings, left arm. Right? So you're on your swing, I'm here, I'm hinging, boom, looking down, lock out, kettlebell flies, motionless in the air. And don't be too, don't try and like get it up above your head. You can just land the chest tight, just pop your hips and just see where it lands. So for your setup, be 2 feet away, don't forget you grab a drink of water and wait with the belt before we start the next one. So I'll show you setup. Here, hinge, grab him here. So you can come and join me now, 5 seconds. 3, squeeze the shoulder blades back, level off the shoulders, and we're swinging 10 reps each side. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, ready to swap, 10, swap. If you have to put it down, that's okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Kettlebell goes down. So yeah, when you put it back down, it goes back down, neutral spine, back down in front. And at the top, neutral spine at the top. So I'm swinging, boom, spine is neutral. Keep the shoulder packed. Don't let the kettlebell bring you forward. Keep the shoulder in the socket. So we're going to go again. In here. Thumbs up. 9, one more swap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Just remember to keep your feet screwed into the ground. Don't allow the swinging motion to bring your heels up. Your toes up, keep the feet screwed into the ground. At the top you're standing nice and tall. So we're going to go again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
I'm an old school beat.
that's it for that one. Well done on that one. On to your cool down. Quick drink of water, wipe with a towel. See you in the next one.